Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your headphones with the phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud. Just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application and update if you haven't. Next step is to restart your phone. I use these earbuds with the phone, so I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, restart your tablet. And it can fix this problem. Now, if both of these methods didn't fix it, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, firstly, remove your earbuds from the charging case. Then, at the back side, we have touch controls, so right here and right here. You need to put your earbuds to your ears and then press and hold at the both earbuds simultaneously until you will hear the prompt power off. So press and hold. After that, release your fingers and press and hold again until you will hear the prompt device active. Firstly, it's turn on, you will hear the prompt power on, then enter to pairing mode, you will hear the prompt pairing, and then device active. So, press and hold, power on, now it's pairing, and device active. After that, we can reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget this device button, or Forget device button, or Forget button, or Unpair or Remove, and Forget device. And you will remove your headphones from your phone. Without it, if you try to reconnect them, on iOS it will ask you to remove them. On Android it will show you connectional problem. After you remove your headphones, if you have Android, at the top click Pair New Device button, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have a refresh button, tap at that button. And then you will see your headphones at the device list, tap on them. And we just reconnect them, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!